like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and then like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And today I have my Allure beauty box. Now if you're not familiar with Allure, I have my little cheat sheet down here. But it's a beauty box and it's monthly. And with it you get 3 full-size items and then usually 3 sample size or deluxe sample size. And if you pay for it for a year, it's $225, which is $18.75 a month. Or if you pay for it quarterly like I do, it's $65 a quarter, and that brings it down to $21.33. Or you can pay for it each month, and that's $25. So now that we got all that all done, this is what it looks like. And I did remove the tape, cut the tape. Then, this is what it looks like. And they always have, this is a little advertisement for GQ, you know, because it's close to Father's Day. And I don't know what this one's for. Face Reality. Get clear skin for good. And then they always give you a little pamphlet, and it has everything in it. And I believe it has the prices on it. Let me check. Here's my glasses. These are the cheapest glasses I got, but they're the ones I see the best in, so we're going to use them. Let's see. I believe so. But I looked at the wrong one there. Yeah. Yeah, they did say the price. Okay. Better? Not really, but we'll pretend it is. And then, of course, you have your little tissue paper, and it just folds back. And this is what it looks like inside. Now, this one, I will put the prices on the screen, and I don't believe, oh, I guess it is. But anyhow, I got CHRISTOPHE, and you could choose your item on this, but it's CHRISTOPHE Robin, Brume, B-R-U-M-E, Hydrate, Instant Leave-In. It's Hydrating Leave-In Mist. I guess I should have went down here and read the English first. Now, this is for your hair, but I'm going, because I want to check the mist. Now, it's got a very fine mist. Very fine mist, which is what I like. Because it doesn't weigh your hair down, it just, but this is a hydrating leave-in mist, which is basically a leave-in conditioner, which is what I use, but you can't tell I used anything today. My hair's, I got up this morning, took my bath, went and paid my bills, did all that, and I came home, took a nap. So that's why my hair looks like this. It's really bad, but it's okay. I got one more bill to pay and then I'm done. So that was, let's see if it says. $39 is the value of that. So right there, more than paid for your box already. Okay, then we'll go to this one. This is Face Reality Barrier Balance Creamy Cleanser. And this is, I don't know if that seal, safety seal on it or not. Yeah, it does. Now, I'm assuming this is a face cleanser. It says creamy cleanser, so yep, it would be a creamy cleanser. Sorry, but that one was worth taking. She's telling me that the gender is in, So they're going to do the gender reveal live tonight at 9:30. So tomorrow I will know if it's a baby girl or a baby boy. Doesn't really matter to me because I'm excited for her. But anyhow, this is what... Yeah, I did put the lid back on this. I'm not sure where I was on this. And that's what it looks like. But it's facial cream. And I'll tell you, in my icon box from Ipsy this time, they had this real pretty bottle of... That's... It doesn't have much smell, but it's very faint, but it's there. But it had a real pretty bottle, and it was cleanser. And it was really pretty, and it was like a martini shaker, and it was really pretty. Except for one problem. When you go to use this thing, it just runs down the bottom. And if you try to do it like sideways like this, it doesn't want to come out. So anyway, I thought I'd tell you about that. Heads up on that. But yeah, that cleanser feels nice. So I might be using that this week. Oops, forgot my paper. Where's my paper? Oh, here it is. She got me all discombobulated. Okay, and the value of that is $35. So then it's... Okay, this is Rise Above. And it is, of course it's mascara, we know that. It's $22 value, but silicone wand, the inky formula and a silicone wand work together perfectly. In this case, to make lashes dramatically longer without clumps. We'd like to see Batman and Robin do that, it says. Okay. But yeah, it's $22. And I'll take it out of the box, but I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to open it because this is what it looks like. Cute. Because I just now, and it's by Floss. And I just now opened the one I'm using now. That's why I don't want to, because I don't want to waste it. Okay, then we have Earth Harbor Tidal Rose Crystal Hydration Toner. And that's what that looks like. And then this one, I'm just going to stick it on my arm. Smells like roses. Smells like roses. Smells good. Now, I do have problems with mineral spirits, and some toners have mineral spirits in them, so I am going to have to check on this. And this is valued at, it's $16 for 60 milliliters, and this is 20, so it's right around 8, right around in there. So we have that. Then we have BELIF. BELIF, the True Cream Aqua Balm Moisturizer. This is also a deluxe sample. It comes like this. Well, that was the front, right? Yeah, right here's the front. It's like a dictionary passage. Now, see, there's a lot of fooling going on here. And he has a little top hat. And this is what it looks like. And that's the consistency. I'm going to just rub her in, see how, yeah, it rubs in really quickly. It feels good, actually. It feels really good. It smells really good, too. It has a really good smell to it. It's $38 for 60 milliliter. And how much did we get? I have no idea. I can't see that small packaging. But I'll do the math and put it on the screen for you. Okay, then lastly we got Fazit Ingrown Hair Bikini Patch. And there are 2 of them in here. I mean, there are 6 of them in here. And a full-size pack is 12 of them for $19.99. So our value is $9.98. But I'll put all that on the screen, and I'll have all the information. And I'll have the links below in case you just want to purchase the items, where you can purchase them. I have the link to Allure and all that down below. So come on back. Join us. If you want to know what my granddaughter is having, I'll be posting tomorrow. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, and come on back. Bye.